Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is May 10th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Tesla rebounding a little bit today. So we are up 12 bucks, 12.93, 1.64%, closed at 804. Post market, it has just changed on me. It's pretty much even Steven at 800. So let's look at what we have here on the chart. This is very clear. Huh? We have this downward resistance. The two purple resistance are there to be broken at some point. And we have support at 805, the thickest line, and 800 right here. We close below 805 and we are just right smack on 800 right here. This seems to be quite a good support level, I would say, at 800. If I look at the past here, so on February 24th, we went as low as 700, but then we came back up quite fast. Within the same day, we closed at 800. We don't stay below 800 for a long time. We come and go back up and come and go back up. So maybe this is going to be something like this. Let's go see the 1 hour chart. So let's understand how this happened today. So this is the first candle of the day right here. So we opened above 805. Came back down and stabilized at 800. Then we came down, and as I just mentioned, we don't stay down for long below 800, and we came back up. But we tried to break 800 and 805 at 130, but then we were pushed back down, and then we started going down, and we tried again on that 230 candle. We tried again, but came back down. And now we have a green candle, but this green candle does not look too good because we have a lower high, we have a lower low. I don't know. This is not looking super good. Let's go back to the daily chart. Let's look at our indicators. So stochastic at 8, MACD, the two lines are below 0. RSI at 35. We need it at over 50. And DMI extremely low. What can be happening right now is that we could be going sideways a little bit, and then what we are going to check is if we are going to break these two downward resistance. This is what we need to see. If we are going to break those, if we break those, it does not necessarily mean that we are going back up. We could just be going sideways for some time, and this can look something like this. This is again, if we break these resistance. If we don't, then we can be bouncing back down again. And then if that is what is going to happen, then we could be looking at the 700 bucks for Tesla. That's entirely possible. And that would coincide with this low that we had right here on February 24th. Let's see. Let's not try to project what is going to happen. Let's keep our minds open and see what is in front of us and then decide to act based on that. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.